This is Grace Masashri from 7th Standard. Let's dive into natural and man-made disasters. Natural disaster. Natural disaster is a very harmful impact on a society or community brought by natural phenomena or hazard. Types of natural disasters: hurricanes, volcanoes, droughts, forest fires, floods and tsunamis, etc. For examples, recently we experienced severe flooding due to heavy monsoon rains and cyclones like Cyclone Mota causing widespread damage. Measures to be taken during natural disasters. Keep calm and help others to be calm. Try to run safely to the nearest open space which is not surrounded by trees, buildings and overhead power lines, but do so with great caution. Do not use an elevator during earthquakes and do not rush onto the roof of the house. Do not panic no matter how hard they dream of. Release your pets, domestic animals, if they are inside an enclosure. Choose your exits as carefully as possible. Disasters. Man-made disasters can be intentional or accidental, but they are always caused by human actions or neglect. However, there can be a lot of crossover between natural and man-made disasters. Can lead to landslides man-made. Can lead to landslides man-made. Can lead to natural. Man-made disasters can be classified into sudden disasters, continuing disasters, and armed conflicts. Man-made disasters can be divided into three categories. First, technological disasters. Second, social disasters. Third, environmental disasters. First, technological disasters. Examples include industrial accidents like chemical spills and transportation and mining accidents. Second, social disasters. Examples include warfare, civil unrest, and terrorism. Third, environmental disasters. Examples include deforestation and climate change. During man-made disasters, strict safety regulations and enforcement in industries, constructions, transports, and energy sectors, risk assessment and hazard mapping of factories, pipelines, power plants, and crowded areas, regular maintenance and inspections of machinery, vehicles, and infrastructure. For giving this wonderful opportunity.